here. Move the table, please. Thank you. Since you keep messing with me and not doing what I say, then it's spanking time. That is what you get. I can't help you.
What happened?
Well, Dad, when she was playing, she fell and bumped her head on the floor. I was just seeing that she was okay. I moved the table.
It's okay if you move the table. Just keep an eye on her, okay?
Okay.
Let's change her diaper and put her in bed. It's okay, Abby. Shush, shush, shush. Everything is gonna be okay.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Nickel, nickel, nickel.
It's slapping time.
Did you slap your sister?
Yes.
Go apologize to your baby sister now.
I love you, and I am so sorry for slapping you.
Ivy, let me shout out a story about my granddad.
Oh boy, a story. Tell me. Come on, mommy.
Don't make me, because if you don't hit me, I won't do anything to you.
Stop messing with my baby.
Well, what if you are eliminated?
I will keep an eye on you.
I can zap your ball away.
Fireball. Hey, why don't you girls smooch up some poop? Get it?
Oh yeah, well, I like it when I have this much poo-poo in my diaper. Besides, I love it when it poopy.
I hear that garbage every time you are here. I just want you to cut that out. Now look at that. You have a puffy cheek. Ha 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 ha.
What is the matter, baby? Did you get hurt?
What? Jessica, come here.
Did you slap your sister?
Yes, I did.
That is all I needed to know. You are not grounded.
So if you take your kid, or your dog to the park, make sure you keep up with them.
I can't find my green block. Do you know where it is, Jessica?
It's right here.